Summer is harsh for the animals and plants that live in Mediterranean temporary ponds. In autumn, rain arrives and floods these ecosystems, which are common in our landscape, and aquatic life becomes visible. Plants and animals wake up after a few months sleeping in the sediment in seed or resistant structures, or other animals arrive from neighboring water bodies. However, aquatic organisms must hurry to perform their life cycle before the ponds dry again. One characteristic of Mediterranean temporary ponds is that they have flooded periods and drought periods. The alternation between an aquatic and terrestrial environment means that these ecosystems harbour high biodiversity. Some species are exclusive to these fluctuating environments. For this reason, the conservation of Mediterranean temporary ponds is very important in terms of biodiversity. However, many of these ecosystems have disappeared in recent decades, and many ponds are becoming degraded at an alarming speed. The main threats to their conservation are water extraction, drying out, pasturing, and partial or total destruction, along with climate change. For this reason, it is vital to increase knowledge of Mediterranean temporary ponds and raise awareness among the population about the importance of conserving these ecosystems.